Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to make a confession stand in Roblox on your phone. First, open up Roblox. Then go to charts, or search. Go to confession. Now paste the link you copied and log into your account. There. Next, name your pass, say why you need Robux, and hit create pass. Here, this pass. Here it is. Click on it, tap the three bars, then sales. Now set the sale price, let's say 234. And click save changes. After that, go back to Roblox and back into the game.